Hey guys, the Reciprocal Piece is here. Today is Trash to Treasure Tuesday over on the blog, where I join some blogger friends and we take what others might consider trash and turn it into something new for our home, however you want to say, but it's a fun time. And this time last year, I took some snowman art that I had, this old Christmas decor, and turned it into something new for my home. So if you want to check out that video, it's here. Take a peek. But today I decided to do a similar project, taking something that maybe you have Christmas decor that you're just tired of because you use it year after year and it doesn't have any sentimental value. And instead of number one, throwing it in the trash, or number two, donating it, why not turn it into something useful for your home that you could use all year round? So what I picked up is this set of, I'll call them snowman ladles. They're cute. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them in the appearance sake, but let's just say you're tired of using them, you're tired of seeing them. Here they are, a set of 3. I'll show you a close-up. And they're totally still functional, still have something good to use them for, and I'm going to show you how to do that. My goal is to inspire you to maybe rethink how you can decorate your home on a budget, but also make it fun. So let's have at it. Okay, so I've got them set up here and I'm deciding to do a little embossing, and that means creating a raised design or texture on here. I don't know if you can see, somebody had already sponge painted these, so it's already got a really cool texture that I'm actually going to use to my benefit. But what I wanted to do was just to create a little whimsy instead of maybe doing the typography I usually do. I'm putting numbers on them, so 1, 2, and then this would be 3. So I'm using my marker here to just get a rough outline. And then you can see in my other video where I took a hot pink trash can and turned it into a farmhouse decor. Using my glue gun, love this thing, and we just emboss using the glue. Hopefully it's heated up here. Just following the design. Super easy. I've done this on lots of things and it makes it fun and rustic. You can always trim them up after it gets cold, or you can use a hairdryer to reheat it, shape it to you like if it's not quite suiting you. But the next step is I'm going to take these outside and give them some layering effects. Well, there you go. My snowmen have disappeared and I have a brand new thing that I can use pretty much any season, anytime. Really, the options are limitless here, and the whole idea is really to inspire you, to see past the obvious, to take what you already have. So many ask me, how do you afford what you do in your home? And I tell them repeatedly, I either DIY it, I do it myself, or I find it thrifted, create it my own. There really is no bounds to just what you can do in your own home. The whole key is whether or not you're willing to try. I hope you enjoyed this. This was fun. I'd love to hear from you down below. What would you have done maybe to the snowman? Would you have done something different? I debated on doing like herbs and planting live plants, which is definitely doable. Something along those lines, using it in my bathroom with some towels and different things. And there's really a lot of ways I could have went with this, but being that I'm feeling kind of cabin fever, I wanted to freshen it up with some blooms. So even though that they're dried blooms, but that's what I have, I save through the summer, dry, and enjoy all year round. Again, I invite you over to my blog, prodigalpieces.com, to see what we have for you in our Trash Treasure Tuesday. And also subscribe. Hit that red button down below here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to, even ding that little bell icon there. That'll give you notifications when things come up. As far as my blog goes, the best way to get everything right to you for free is to sign up for my free email newsletter. It comes right into your inbox with everything for you right there, with past projects available, updates, even sales to my shop, where you'll find things like this available. So until next time, bye.